Hi, hello, welcome to Quick Revision. I hope you are following my channel. In today's class, we are revising multiple choice questions related to chemical reactions and equations. So let us start. So here is a question. Which of the statements about the reaction below are incorrect? They have given an equation 2PbO plus C arrow mark 2Pb plus CO2. So they have given four statements related to this equation. Statement A, lead is getting reduced. B, carbon dioxide is getting oxidized. C, carbon is getting oxidized. D, lead oxide is getting reduced. So out of these four statements, which one are incorrect? You need to identify. Options. Option 1, A and B. Option 2, A and C. Option 3, A, B and C. Option 4, all. So here the correct option is option 1, A and B. That means statement A and B are incorrect. Next question, they have given an equation Fe2O3 plus 2Al arrow mark Al2O3 plus 2Fe. So here the above reaction is an example of. I hope you got the answer. Option A, combination reaction. Option B, double displacement reaction. Option C, decomposition reaction. Option D, displacement reaction. Yes, the correct answer here is displacement reaction. Option D, displacement reaction. Next question. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron fillings? Choose the correct answer. Option A, hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Option B, chlorine gas and iron hydroxide are produced. Option C, no reaction takes place. Option D, iron salt and water are produced. Here, the correct answer or the correct option is option A, hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. So that's the correct one. The next question here is, which of the following is not a physical change? Options. Option A, boiling of water to give water vapor. Option B, melting of ice to give water. Option C, dissolution of salt in water. Option D, combustion of liquefied petroleum gas. So here the correct answer is option D, combustion of liquefied petroleum gas. So that is not a physical change. It is an example for chemical change. Next question here is, electrolysis of water is a decomposition reaction. The mole ratio of hydrogen and oxygen gases liberated during electrolysis of water is option A 1:1, option B 2:1, option C 4:1, option D 1:2. So here the correct option is option B 2:1. That is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following gases can be used for storage of fresh sample of an oil for a long time? Option A, carbon dioxide or oxygen. Option B, nitrogen or oxygen. Option C, carbon dioxide or helium. Option D, helium or nitrogen. Here the correct answer is option D, helium or nitrogen. Next question. Which one of the following processes involve chemical reactions? So they have given option A, storing of oxygen gas under pressure in a gas cylinder. Option B, liquefaction of air. Option C, keeping petrol in a china dish in the open. Option D, heating copper wire in presence of air at high temperature. Here the correct option is option D. That's the correct answer. Heating of copper wire in presence of air at high temperature. That is a chemical reaction. That involves the chemical reaction. So that is nothing but burning of copper. which gives copper oxide. So option D is the correct answer. So the next multiple choice question here. Chemically rust is option A ferric sulfate, option B ferric oxide, option C hydrated ferrous oxide, option D hydrated ferric oxide. So the correct answer is option D, hydrated ferric oxide. Next question. Corrosion of metals can be prevented. Option A, by coating the metal surface with a paint. Option B, by applying film of grease and oil on the surface of the metal. Option C, by covering the surface of the metal with another metal which is more electropositive. Option D, all of these. Yes. So the correct answer is option D, all of these. All these methods can be followed to prevent corrosion of metals. Next question. The main cause of rancidity is option A, oxidation of fatty acid molecules. Option B, antioxidant. Option C, bacteria. Option D, none of this. So the correct answer is option A, oxidation of fatty acid molecules. Next question. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron fillings? Option A, hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Option B, chlorine gas and ferric hydroxide are produced. Option C, heat is absorbed and test tubes become cold. Option D, iron salt and water are produced. So here the correct answer is option A, hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Next question. Which of the following are endothermic processes? Which of the following are endothermic processes? So they have given here 4 processes. First one, dilution of sulfuric acid. Second one, sublimation of dry ice. Third one, condensation of water vapors. Fourth one, evaporation of water. So now they have given options. Option A, 1 and 3. Option B, 2 only. Option C, 3 only. Option D, 2 and 4. So here the correct answer is option D, 2 and 4. So that means sublimation of dry ice and evaporation of water are endothermic processes.